Ladies and gentlemen, we got some updates to go and talk about, important one, as well as claiming a Solana airdrop. So without anything else to say, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first are two airdrops, which you simply need to go and sign up. Early project, put your email. We got the genesis.kern as well as the mentals.ai. Simply put your email, get on the waiting list, and you are going to be good to go. So super simple. The link is down below. The first other proper airdrop, which we do have right now, as we see here, we got the unique.com airdrop as page right here. It is very simple. So all you gotta do is come over here through the link down below. I will leave you the link down below. It's called the unique, and it is a tap to earn. So simply click over here, and you got a 24-hour period to go and tap. That's it. If you got friends, make sure to refer them. If not, simply click over on the tap. You get a estimated of the tapping per hour points that you receive, and that is as good as it gets. Super simple. Then you got some free quests, like follow them on Twitter, Telegram, on Instagram, more Twitter, YouTube, Twitter reposts, Facebook, etc. You get points, and then the more you utilize the platform, the more points you will get, and the bigger on the leaderboard you will go. Is it still early to go and join? Absolutely yes. It came out like 2 or 3 days ago. I kept an eye on it. It's been going since, so very early to go and join. As well as we got a quick reminder just for what we talked yesterday, but if you missed yesterday's video, Dawn, which is a future airdrop, which it is this one right here, kind of like Grass, kind of like NotePay, it works with an extension. It has raised $18 million. So usually this evaluation will be launching at 200 million FTB. When it comes, it does at 10x. And the project is building on the Solana blockchain and is supported by top investors, including the Vanek.us. So what you gotta do? Well, I will leave the link down below. You gotta download this one through the Google Chrome. And then once you go and participate, that is it. You gotta connect Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. And if you wish to support me, you can also, once you go and sign up, they will ask you for a referral code. If you wish to support me, I will leave you my referral link and my referral code down below. There is no link, and that is it. Simple as that. But don't fade it, because it has $18 million in raising. So very important you go and participate, as well as your daily reminder to go and grab your Plaza Finance points. If you are subscribed, if you're already into this airdrop, this is going to be a base token airdrop. You got activity to do. Make sure to go and do your activities. You got points to collect and scale through the leaderboard. As you see here, I do it on a daily basis. January 8, January 7, January 6, January 5. So make sure to go and do it, because I really believe in this project. It is free to earn. If you haven't participated in it yet, it is very simple. Click over to my Plaza through the link down below. You will be redirected over here. And how do you start? You get the test tokens. You can get it once a day. Then go to earn and leverage. Simply sell over here and buy over here with the token that you received from the faucet, from the test token bottom over here. Do the same here. Sell and buy, leverage, sell and buy. Once a day, as we see over here, once a day you get the points, and you get 1 time a day 4 points for every activity, with a multiplier of your choice depending on what you can do, which it is right here. It is like the Discord boost, the game win contest, quest, etc. And then you got some NFT to go and claim. I reached the level 500, so I got my level 5 NFT. Let me know your level down below. Following up, another airdrop that is coming very soon is the One Football Season 2 airdrop. Is now called for extra time and will happen much sooner than we think. This is the official tweet. So how to participate in this one? Well, once again, very simple. The link is down below, and this is a free to earn airdrop. We got follow them over on Twitter, so simply connect your Twitter. It does give a little bit of a mistake sometimes, yes, so make sure to try it and retry it again without, much problems to it. Do the authentication, do all of these things. Here we got the profile. As you see, you can go and check your profile, the wallet connector. You can connect your Discord directly over here, and your Twitter, which then will make it easier to go and connect over here. They do have some problems, so make sure to follow them and check them out. But other than that, it is very simple, very straightforward. We got the follow on football on Robcast and the daily check-in, which you do get on a daily entry. So also this one, just like Plaza Finance, it is one of those things to go and do on a daily basis. But the airdrop 2 is coming very soon, and it is here to stay. So make sure to go and participate. Another thing is the Genesis AI Labs NFT, which is dropping over on Zora, which I will leave you the link down below. And we go and mint it together. As we see here, it is about 30 cents in transaction, 37 cents. So we go and grab 111, 111, whichever you want. But the Genesis AI have released a different pair of NFTs throughout the month. And this is a special NFT from the Genesis Chronicle collection. They're showing us where their astronaut cat is working on the cat's token development. So, which it does hint to a airdrop, as we see over here, a glimpse into the secret Genesis laboratory friends developing the cat's token. So make sure to go and grab this one, as this piece grants holders a view into the innovative workspace and will grant you a view also and receive the possibility for their airdrop allocation once it goes live. We have gotten many different airdrop, many different NFTs from them as well. So the link will be down below. And here we see it that in only 30 minutes going live, it's already have 1,000 minutes. So do not miss it. The other important discussion that we want to take is the Sonic airdrop claim is now live. And as we see it over here, I will leave the link down below. And you can claim 60% now, invest the rest 40% over 6-month period, which then you will be rewarded with a 40% extra, and the current price is at 80 cents. You can trade on Jupiter, OKX, ByBit, Gate, Qcoin. I will leave a link to Jupiter down below, but you can go and grab it as of right now, and it is only at 80 cents. All you gotta do is come to the link down below and put one of your wallet. It is a Solana protocol, so make sure to go and claim it, and it is doing right well. If we go now, for example, and we go and check it out over on ByBit, which it is tradable over there, to see the price action at the time of recording this video, it is still a good error. Whether you got it for, whether it is at 40 cents, whether it is at 20 cents, whether it is at 40 cents, it is still a good airdrop. ByBit, as of right now, it is not loading its page, but it's okay, not a problem. We can go and check it out later on, or I'll just go and check it for yourself in your next page, as here I do not want to waste your time. So make sure to go and claim it. Make sure to go and check your Phantom wallet. If you do use, make sure to go and check your Backpack wallet, which it is also important. And make sure if you are eligible, and if you are, let me know in the comments below how much token you received from this, and also what is the dollar value for this airdrop that you have received. Another important update is the snapshot for the Saga airdrop has been taken. So if you are a Saga stakeholders, it is they are giving out so many airdrops, so many tokens, so many free tokens, which it is actually incredible. And the community, as we see over here, the community likes it. If you go to the comment section of any Saga post, you don't see any community hating. It's actually super easy to go and earn this, and it was super easy. I personally have not followed it, and I personally have not participated in it, but it is a very nice airdrop, and if you're still in time to go and earn all the Saga Vaults possibilities. The snapshot has been taken, the claiming is not live yet. I will take you the claiming once it goes live, but as of right now, do not calculate, do not click any links on the comments, do not trust anybody that says claiming is here, do not do anything. Simply wait for the claim to go live on my videos. But if you got any comments over here, anybody saying, oh, claim this, claim that, do not listen to them. The only thing you gotta check is the OP. This is original poster, which is right here. Following up, we have the Bucket Protocol Snapshot Update. It is happening on January 13, and this is for the SOI Ecosystem. If you participate in the SOI Ecosystem on January 13, you will have the airdrop snapshot over here, which it is good. You still have more time to go and participate. And as we see over here, the token generation event allocation rollout schedules, you get the early contributors, the Bucketeer and the DC role with the airdrop over here, the SOI project airdrop, Mr. Block Summit and Zero Quest, SOI communities leaderboard to the top 500, the airdrop farm, email lucky draw, and bucket leaderboard as well. So very nice to go and see. Next up, we have on the list is the Block Scout. Now, we talked about this on yesterday's video, but this is a free-to-earn airdrop. As you see here, you do have a daily claiming, you do have a streak to go and maintain, and then soon we will have the activities and the verified contracts. What you gotta do to interact with this one, as of right now, as the token is not live, well, simply go and look through different contracts, simply go and look through different transactions. It is extremely easy to go and do it, as we see it over here. Easy, easy, easy. All you gotta do is like an explorer, so simply go and check it out. Make sure to have a look around, make sure to see what they're up to, put your transaction in it, do a few things. There's no transaction, no nothing. It is absolutely free to go and earn, which it is really, really nice. As well as this one, just not to forget, grass airdrop, for example, the season 2 grass airdrop is still happening. We're still getting the token. As we see over here, I'm getting a little bit less token than what I used to, but we're still following up with the rewards. We have, as we see here, the epoch 1, the epoch 2 is done, and now we got the epoch 3 of the stage 2, which it is what's happening now. On the stage 1, which it was what it was before, this is all the stage 1, you're still in time to go and participate on the season airdrop number 2. We got different epoch, which is absolutely fine. And then all of this will sum up for another airdrop. So if you're new and you missed the season 1 airdrop, you're still in time to go and participate in this airdrop, which I will leave the link down below. We've seen how huge it is. It has done absolutely phenomenal, in my opinion, throughout the process. I sold very early, unfortunately, but other than that, it is doing really, really well. Pending rewards, just like any other protocol that you do that it is AI, you need to leave it running for X amount of time, and this is probably why you're not going to receive the season 2 airdrops if you do not leave it for 100 hours of uptime. And as well with this one, also NotePay works the same, also Dawn, which we've seen, works the same, so very important that you go and do it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.